right?
I like it like that. Look, we're here with Phil.
Want to see your stuff?
WRX Phil. Oh, I do want that stuff.
Yeah.
So we're here, where's we at?
We are at our annual. Everything
It could be annual. We can make it
Our
annual.
quarterly Cars and Coffee here at APR Performance. This time we decided to partner up with our friends over at Easy Motorsports and Auto Addicts. We got snacks, raffles, music, merch, everything. So
I'm here for the snacks.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
I'm the snack.
Yeah, he's the snack. So we brought the Supra out. It is dirty. I cleaned it the best I could, but once you drive an hour, it's kind of irrelevant at that point. It's like, damn, I'm gonna get there 30 minutes late and everybody's gonna be like, we're leaving.
Yeah. No, usually everybody waits for the raffle and then they leave.
Get you a Phil. Phil, I paid for these. This is why they call me the JDM god.
No one calls you that.
No, where's my box at?
They could now.
No,
they could now. Phil, I'm dropping, bro.
You fucking up, bro.
I am so.
Yo!
It's Toys R Us for car guys. Did I leave my key in the car?
All the good shit. Look at that.
Sorry, I got AAA. We're good, right? Dude's unprepared like always. Look at that.
Bro, it doesn't matter how clean I get it before I take it. So we're here, the APR Cars and Coffee, and this is one of the first cars that really stood out to me. With 240 Rocket Bunny kit and some Workmeisters. There's an S1 3-piece with a polish. This thing looks sick. We got some more heat over here with an FD RX-7. Really simple livery. This thing's pretty clean. They say if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen, Phil.
About to get out the kitchen and go home.
I need to go to the kitchen, bro.
I know, we're trying to go eat after this.
I'm hungry. He's not feeding me, guys. Help.
Fucked up, man. He's underpaid, underfed. God damn, man.
Dude, you should tell HR.
He is HR.
He said you are HR.
Yeah, that's right. That's right, I am.
I'm starving.
Get fucked.
I'm never coming again.
Phil, brother.
What's up?
You see anything cool out here?
Is your car my car?
Oh, we got the coolest cars.
You already know, daddy.
Say less, bro. What? You call me what? You said what? What'd you call me?
What? Brother? Hey, those Evils are crazy, though.
Why?
One
Are
has
they?
a chute in the back.
Phil,
I got eyes on you. You're good across the street.
Phil also has one of these. Same wheels too. I think it's the same color. We got it over here. Not only do we have one dump or two dumps, we got 3 dumps. It's pretty sick.
Who'd you tour that car from?
Hey, don't stop telling people. Phil offered to buy everybody breakfast. Let's give Phil a round of applause.
Hey, I gotta go.
Where you going?
I gotta go home. They called me.
Oh, hey, that's a sick hat, bro. Where'd you get this? Yo, what is up, guys? Just want to take a quick break from today's episode to let you know that SiteStreet.com is officially live, where we have Japanese-inspired merchandise, also featuring cars such as the Mark 4 Supra that you see here behind me. The link is in the description. Go check it out.
eBay.
Oh, shit. eBay? What is that? Yeah.
Oh my god, that good shit on me.
That's sick, bro.
What color you have on? The red one? Something like that. Oh, how
You should have told me. I'd have brought it.
2016, man. That's okay.
It'd be your own homies. Let me just post and tag your car and then just not
I
tag
did.
you.
You saw that, right?
Nah, that's cool.
It was on there.
Yeah, yeah. Where's the post? Where's the post, bro?
Doing anything?
Bro, that's the invasion of privacy, bro.
Yeah, man. I'll charge you for that.
Hey,
I'm gonna charge you.
hey, you look like a narc.
Yo, don't let the sheriff's department see this, bro. Hey,
Oh shit.
I got a warrant, dude.
Not again.
Yeah, I won't show them anything.
That all got that has Tito's in it.
Zoomed out? Is it zoomed out?
How do you... Dude, that's close, dude. You look demonic. All has Tito's in it.
Pork chop. When you gonna get the pork chop?
What'd you get, my guy?
I got the hottie. I didn't know you were on the menu.
That's right. And then my guy, look at what the fuck.
Got the Tito's, you know how it is, bro. You got Tito's vodka and all these, dude.
Down it, chug it, chug it. Oh, they look so fucking good.
It's like 2 goals. 2 goals. Why would you not drink it from here, bro? It makes so much sense. I get nervous, dude.
Chug it.
I'm a sophisticated person, bro. I don't chug.
Here you go, boys.
What'd you think, Phil? Looks good?
So far, it looks amazing, to be honest.
Oh, thank you. How's it look?
Good, bro. Good.
That does look fire.
We should do one of those videos, you know, where they do the reviews on the food.
Food review?
Dude, I get nervous on the camera. Kitty Hot Wheels from upstairs, dude.
Which ones?
The Hello Kitty Hot Wheels, dude. I said I'm getting
Ready? What's up? The Veil side? Be a lot cooler if it was. Special edition?
That one looks more like yours. Closest to yours.
Damn. That is kind of fire.
You see the Nismo one?
What are you buying?
Actually, I want that Fast and Furious that was like $5. $45 though.
You don't want the Hello Kitty Hot Wheels?
You want that one?
I want the Hello Kitty Hot Wheels. I am gonna get the Hello Kitty Hot Wheels.
Are you really? Which one are you gonna get?
Oh yeah.
You gonna drive that in real life?
I love me some Hello Kitty, bro.
That's lit.
Bam! My God, the real one and the fake one.
Oh, that's sick, bro. Damn, what if I fell?
That'd be kind of funny, I guess.
What if he just stood there and made us all just eat it? Guys, to close out this video, I did not film an outro. My boy flew in from Maryland for his 30th birthday. How old are you?
Fucking old.
Damn. 30th birthday. So we're just out here vibing. We got some food on the grill, hanging out by the fire. We're just kind of wrapping things up. So I recently posted a poll on my Instagram for what color we're gonna paint the Supra. Oh, shit. So I don't disagree that yellow would be kind of a fire color. Poll got some pretty good results. I think I took a screenshot of it. So 32% of you said white, 32% of you said the top secret gold, 14% said yellow, and 21% said either a lighter or darker gray. This looks, this is sick. I don't know whose car this is. Shout out to you. That car is pretty fucking sick. But with that being said, I wanted to ask you guys in the video, what color do you want to see me do this Mark IV Supra, and what mods do you want to see me do in collaboration with the color scheme and kind of the direction that we're going? There's some big stuff that I've been planning. I've been working and touching base with a few other companies that I think you guys will be pretty stoked about in the future. So let me know down in the comments if you guys are enjoying this content. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, leave me some feedback, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.